Hello Genius Minds, this is Newton Backyard. In this video we are talking about derivation of AQ minus BQ. So let's write the two formulas. This is very similar to AQ plus BQ but a little bit different. So AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole Q plus 3AB whole into A minus B. This is the first formula, and another formula is AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole into A square plus AB plus B square. So let's first talk about the first formula. Let me write that AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB whole into A minus B. Let's write here LHS and here RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. Let me write here AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB whole into A minus B. We need to prove this statement. We can't write in this way. So for the proofing, I have to take A minus B whole cube is equal to AQ minus BQ minus 3AB whole into A minus B. To get this formula, we have to just multiply A minus B 3 times together. So here we got AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB whole into A minus B. How do we got this? So first we have to take that AQ minus BQ, we have to change the sides, and by changing the side we got here minus 3AB whole into A minus B is transferred into A minus B whole cube. So we got AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A plus 3AB into A minus B, and LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. So now for the second equation. Well, this is quite hard, quite complicated you can say, but after you understand it becomes easy. So now write LHS here and RHS there. Let's write here A minus B whole cube is equal to AQ minus BQ minus 3AB whole into A minus B. Now by changing the side we got AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB whole into A minus B. This is equal to the first formula here. So let's write here AQ minus BQ. Here there are 3 A minus B and here 1 A minus B, and we have to take 1 A minus B common. So by taking A minus B common we are left with 2 A minus B, and for the second term left with nothing. 3AB is now a lonely person. Now AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole into. By putting the formula for A minus B whole square, we got A square plus B square minus 2AB plus 3AB. Now we got two terms here common, AB AB, so we have to do minus 2AB plus 3AB. Now AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B whole into A square plus B square plus AB. We don't have to write 1AB. So AQ minus BQ, arranging the terms, we got A minus B whole into A square plus AB plus B square. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, like on the like button to get the 3 likes, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Like button to get the 3 likes, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.